Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking.
Have you been thinking about investing some money into real estate but don't know where to start? You see the fix and flip shows on TV and probably also have a crazy Uncle Bob who owns a bunch of rental properties, but you're just not sure what's the best fit for you. And that's totally fair. In this video, I'll share with you the one big question you must ask yourself when deciding how to invest your money in real estate. If you can just answer this one question, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy real estate investor. Knowing the answer to this single question will save you hours of headaches and investment decisions that just don't fit with your investing goals. So, are you ready? Okay, let's dive in. As you may know, there are tons of ways to invest your money in real estate. You can buy a house and rent it out. You can Airbnb a condo on the beach. You can buy a piece of land on Craigslist. That's right, Craigslist. And then sell it to someone else. You can invest in storage facilities or office parks. You can even rent out rooms in your own house. However, that's exactly the problem that many people who are starting out investing in real estate face. With so many different choices, how do you decide what's right for you? Lots of people will start by turning to their friends who have seen success in real estate investing and copy what they do. So if their friends own rental properties, they'll invest in rental properties. If their friends have invested in land developments, well, they'll consider that too. It's easy to get caught up in what other people are doing. But in order to make real estate investing work for you and help you reach your investing goals, you've got to remember why you're investing in real estate in the first place and what you hope to gain from it. Besides the goal of just making money, why are you investing in real estate? Why not just stay with the investments or the savings vehicles that you already have? What is it about real estate that attracts you? Are you hoping to create monthly cash flow so that you can eventually replace your salary and quit your job? Are you looking to roll up your sleeves and get involved in renovations? Or are you looking for a long-term payout? So the first step when considering investing your money in real estate is to think about what you want out of it. Once you have a good idea of your investing goals, the big question to ask yourself is, how much involvement do you want to have? That is, do you want to be an active or a passive real estate investor? Are you thinking that, like stocks, you'll put your money in and then not have to think about your investment? Or do you want to have more control and involvement week to week and month to month? If you're looking for a set it and forget it type of investment, then you're probably a passive real estate investor. And you should look for passive real estate investments, such as investing passively in real estate syndications. These group investments will let you put your money into real estate without having to do any of the work of managing or renovating the property. You just get a monthly cash flow distribution and then a split of the profits when the asset is sold. Now, most people have never heard of passive investing through real estate syndications. I had personally been investing in real estate for 10 years before I stumbled upon them, and boy, do I wish I had known about them sooner. As a passive real estate investor, I get all the benefits of investing in real estate, including the tax benefits, without having to fix any toilets, which is a win, if you ask me. Now, if on the other hand, you want a bigger role and more control in your investment, then you should consider being an active real estate investor. And there are lots of ways to invest your money actively in real estate. And this is the path that most people think of when they think of real estate investing. Active real estate investing includes everything from wholesaling to fix and flips to buy and holds and lots more. So if you want to be highly involved and are looking for a short-term investment, consider looking into fix and flips. This is one of the best ways to roll up your sleeves and really learn the business. If you're looking for monthly cash flow and you want to invest for the long term, maybe consider a buy and hold rental. As the name would suggest, this is when you buy a small rental property and rent it out and hold it for a longer period of time. You can manage the property yourself or employ a property manager. Then, after paying the mortgage and other expenses, you collect the monthly cash flow, kind of like Monopoly. If you're looking to do something bigger, you might consider looking into a joint venture partnership or becoming a syndicator yourself. Remember earlier when I was talking about investing passively in real estate syndications or those group investments? Well, most of the investors in a syndication are passive investors, but a small group are the active syndicators. They are the team who put together the investment. If you think you want to be highly involved in the acquisition, the underwriting, the asset management, or the capital raising for a large commercial project, you might want to consider this route. So all in all, the big question to ask yourself when you're thinking of investing money into real estate is, how involved do you want to be? If you want to be an active real estate investor, think about what types of roles you want to play, how involved you want to be, and how much money you have to play with. If you're looking for a set it and forget it type of investment, look into investing passively in real estate syndications. Have you decided which is the right path for you? Comment below with either active or passive to let me know. If you'd like a more comprehensive walkthrough of passive investing through real estate syndications, be sure to grab a free copy of our new book, Investing for Good: The Surprising Strategy for Building Wealth while also making an impact. You can find the link down below in the description. And finally, if you liked this video, hit that like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I'm Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a sunny side up day.